Fucking craziest taxi driver I ever had in my life. Yes. Yes, this gym is sick, though. This gym is sick. We're just making jokes now because both are Summit and then it's Berk, so it's bigger and bigger. Bodybuilding, men's physique, classic.
What's up? Coach, how are you?
Good.
I'm fine.
Always good.
Şükret sağlıyor mu? Teşekkürler.
Better.
Good time.
That's
Work.
good. Pump.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes.
The crew. How are you, buddy? Good?
Coach.
Good?
Hello. How are you?
Thank you. Good. Take the boys through upper body session. Shout out to Station Gym, Sports Station, allowing us to train here. The whole gym looking at us. Sick gym.
Pre.
To get you dry. Wait. Show the camera how your hands are looking. Crazy. Okay. In the chest. Push in. Set. Hold, hold, hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, good. High, high. Nice. The man was sad this morning because he had no water, no food. He had to make weight.
Yes.
Give him 2 meals and a bit of training, and he's the happiest man on the world.
Sunday, ready.
Hey, Mark.
Work out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so this is a great example of what I always talk about, the energy. The people you surround yourself with. All these guys are either 1 day or 2 days or 3 days out. Hey? So Summit, Burke and Summit are all competing soon. This morning they all were super tired. I could see in their face, obviously food is low, they're basically fat free. I mean, they are peeled. And we bring them in here for 1 upper session pump. These guys are so hyped up. The energy is so high. Just because of all of us are in line. All of us want to win. All of us are energy of moving forward. These guys are lifting each other up. That energy is key. I mean, these guys, you don't get more tired than that. And look at them now. The energy is so high. Surround yourself with the right people, guys. Game over. Christmas tree, here you go.
Finish, coach?
Yeah, finished. Long day.
It's crazy. Crazy work time. Crazy.
It was a good day in the office.
Perfect.
The guys are getting dry. They're getting full.
After tomorrow, training. After pro show.
So yeah, guys, very, very happy with everyone. The energy is super high. Honestly, the team energy is so high. So supportive. That's something I'm big on, is the support in the team. So yeah, it's awesome to see, and a big shout out to Sports Station. They've been very, very helpful.
Thank you, Sports Station.
Amazing gym, really amazing gym. Highly recommend it whenever you're in Turkey, in Izmir. So yeah, we'll be training here 1 or 2 more
Mevlüt
days.
Hoca, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Back to work now. Long day.
Maşallah.
It's 8 now. We've literally been out since this morning after training. The guys are looking awesome. I am honestly so proud. They are absolutely diced. They are so peeled, tight. Some it's 2 days out, and then the others are 1 day out tomorrow. So they compete in 2 days' time. But honestly, very, very happy. And again, like I said, the energy is absolutely insane. How is the energy? It was honestly levels. And for me, that's special to see, because I've always been big on, building positivity and support in the team. I mean, I have 2 bench physique guys competing against each other, and the support they have and stuff for each other is just so good. So that's what I want. That's what I want the brand to be about. They're always so tired, but as soon as we started training, it was just like energy so high. So yeah, that was really awesome. Because the taxi driver was crazy on the way to the gym. This guy is like super the opposite. And then the gym was awesome. Really, really awesome gym. Big thanks to Sports Station. Keep forgetting Station.
Mevlüt Hoca,
Sports Station.
thank you very much.
Yeah, really, really good Summit train. Thanks for hooking us up. We'll be back tomorrow. Very special gym.
Yes.
Great vibe. The whole gym was looking at us while we train and pose. But it was awesome. Good connections, good energy. Off to go see the last two clients now. Then we need to start working on today's check-ins. And Ruben's got a lot of work. The man's been an absolute legend. So give this video a thumbs up. We show him some love because his work is absolutely levels. I'll put his links also in the description. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow for day one. See you guys.